Hi, hi everybody. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Kalpana Talpade. I'm from Mumbai, and today I'll be solving some of your problems that we all share, we all face during our lifetime, especially the housewives. Yes, or those who are running the kitchen. It's no more housewife nowadays. Everyone is in the kitchen these days. So all those who have leftovers, you don't know what to do with it. And yes, if you give a stale chapati in the house to eat, they will just refuse it. ये कल की रोटी है. No, they want fresh. So what do you do with all that leftover? The rice, the chapati, bread, and that is what I'm going to dwell on. Today's topic will be on leftovers. Okay. So what do we start with? I've decided to go for three recipes for you. Usually rice and chapati is the main problem. Vegetables and all you can do something. With rice and chapati. For rice, I've selected two recipes. One is lemon rice and the other one is crispy appam. Crispy appe. Crisp appe. It's yummy. So these are two recipes with rice, leftover rice. And one recipe, sweet dish of course. I'll be preparing chapati laddu or roti laddu. They are yummy. Okay. So what do we start with now today? First thing we start with the chapati laddu or with the rice. Let me I'll take some time then.
इथे तुला पाहिजे अरेंज करायचं
Yeah,
काय काय पाहिजे
the mixer and you. I just want the mixer and chapati calcium. ते छोटा छोटा त्यात टाकवायला छोटा mixer. या वही चाहिए मुझे आईला सॉरी. Oh God. 1 minute. Bulbul. I just come from Alibag, so a little excuse me for my not being ready for today's. And I thought it was 11:30, so that 15 minutes is very very crucial for me. But the rice, sometimes the rice. I think we'll start with lemon rice. Now, what is lemon rice? See, lemon rice is a South Indian recipe, we can call it. I mean, they made it famous. In Maharashtra, we have this Podnitsa Bhat. And from childhood, I've been eating this Podnitsa Bhat. It's just simple. Both the recipes are similar, but little here and there change. And when you say South Indian recipes, they add urid dal, chana dal. So that is a South Indian recipe. And for my Maharashtrian recipe, mustard is common, yes, but we have garlic. So which one would you like? You like the Podnitsa Bhat or you like the lemon rice? Any response?
1 आणि 2 असं सांग
You like the lemon rice or you would like the Podnitsa Bhat?
all of just want one say one for
One.
lemon rice
One for lemon rice?
Yes,
And
yes, lemon rice is fine. One. Lemon rice.
Lemon rice. Okay.
Nalini says 1. There are more people. Wait, we'll just check. Nalini has said 1 in her chat.
I will explain both the recipes, so don't worry. It's just
Pariha also says 1.
what is the rice?
Lemon rice.
Wow. Okay, so there are 2 people who want lemon rice right now.
Great. So lemon rice is the most easiest recipe, and
Vaishnavi also wants
lemon rice. Good, great. So no Podnitsa Bhat. Lemon rice. Now lemon rice, you require rice, of course. Now I'm making use of the leftover rice. That is one common ingredient. Okay. Then I will be using lime. Sa lime, regular. Okay, bag मध्ये बघ. I've come prepared for it, but the traffic in Mumbai is
So you
1
can
minute.
start with all the ingredients. I'll
Yeah.
point towards your ingredients after you are done.
Okay. This is the leftover rice. Lemon rice. बुलबुल जरा मेरा नाम था, एक गाजर की शीरे। Okay, that's what I want to know. I'll be using half a teaspoon turmeric powder and half a teaspoon hing. Okay, turmeric powder here is more for the color than for the taste. Turmeric powder. It's lemon rice. Remember, rice. I'll be using half this rice. Fine. So it will go faster. Oh, उड़ीद दाल already done. See, as I told you in the beginning, this is a South Indian dish. So South Indians use a lot of urad dal, and this is chana dal. Okay, don't worry, we'll be giving vagar, so it'll get cooked. Chana dal, urad dal, green chili, curry leaves, mustard seeds, and what else? Hing and haldi. These are the peanuts. This is really optional, but they give a nutty flavor. And curry leaves are already taken up for their rice. Okay, so let's start now. I'll go in the kitchen and we'll start with this. And salt. Okay, so I've just taken a little oil here, fine, and
Are you switched on the gas?
yes, it's on the gas. Sorry, I didn't do that. Okay, we'll wait for the oil to get nice and hot. When the oil is nice and hot, you add the mustard seeds. You have to wait till the mustard seeds flutter.
This is the concentrator.
Always for any recipe, see that you let the mustard seeds flutter. You know, then what happens? The same mustard seeds, when they are not splattered properly, they give you a different taste altogether. There you can see the mustard seeds splatter now. There, you can hear the sound, that spluttering sound. Okay, so the mustard seeds are ready now. So you'll reduce the flame. Reduce the flame, don't forget. Then add your chana dal and urad dal. Okay. Okay. Now we'll have to wait for the chana dal and the urad dal to cook a little brown. You need a little brown color. Okay. So just do some time. And as we are using other nuts even, I'll be adding the peanuts and cashew nuts. I usually don't add the cashew nuts in my lemon rice, but as today is special, so I'm adding cashew nuts too. See? Now when this is getting cooked, I can increase the flame at the moment here. I'll be adding the green chili. Okay, give it some time to cook. Now the curry leaves are really special. You have to add the curry leaves. Just break them with your fingers here like that straight. Now the asafoetida, that is hing and turmeric powder. Now I don't know how you cook your rice at home. If you're adding salt to your rice, be very careful while adding salt here. Now at my place, I don't add salt to my rice. So I need the salt also, okay? So say half a teaspoon salt. And now I will add my rice. I find that the oil is really less. I'll just add some more oil. Wow. Okay, you can see now our peanuts are cooked. Our dal are nice and brown. I will just add the rice now. This is the leftover rice, remember, friends. अजून भात केले ना भात आहे
लेफ्टओव्हर मध्ये एवढं
आताच आहे राईस नाही केला lemon rice is got a nice and crispy. Wow, now this lemon rice, you can garnish this with coriander leaves. And I told you I'm very fond of curry leaves. I'll just take a few of these curry leaves. A little salt I will sprinkle on that. You just okay. This lemon rice you can carry in your tiffin also. Like the night you prepare your rice and keep, and in the morning you can have your curry rice. So the curry leaves, I've just added some salt and just for a yummy flavor and smell.
when Nalini is saying that she can smell it.
Wow, how lucky you are! I don't have this device at home. Then,
Nalini says it looks delicious.
yes, our lemon rice is ready. No, is it ready? Just tell me what have I forgotten in this now recipe. So I know how
Lemon.
to taste it, Lola.
Lemon.
Ah, very good. Who's this? Yes, lemon. I put up the flame always while adding lemon. Lola. Just put up the flame and squeeze in half a line, or depending on the quantity of your rice. But be generous with the lemon, now because that is the main dish. The name of the dish is lemon rice. Okay, so your lemon rice is nice and ready. I'll just do the plating later on. You can all see the lemon rice. Okay. Now we will start with our, what will we do now?
Chapati.
Now we will sweet dish wala kare? Oh, okay.
Try करेंगे.
Okay, so lemon rice is ready. Now chapati. Okay, you can see the leftover chapatis here. These are fulkas I make at home, so I'll be just taking 4 from here. Fine? 4.
Right there.
Okay, friends, we will now start with our chapatis laddu. Okay, I've taken 4 fulkas. I've already started shredding them in pieces. We'll be using a blender for this, so don't worry about the way you shred this chapati. It's just to get it easy. See? You know, I will just adding all these shredded chapati pieces in the blender. Okay. Just roughly powder them. Now, while doing this, we want to make it more easy. Oh, I use jaggery powder. So if you have jaggery powder, good. Otherwise, you can regular your powder jaggery that you get in the market. You can take that those pieces. So I'll just add, depending on the taste, 3 to 4 teaspoons of this jaggery powder. Okay. So like for one chapati, 1 teaspoon jaggery powder. And now I will blend this. There you can see this now. You got a good texture. This is what you will require. Okay. So now we'll just put in this mixing bowl here. Okay. Then you will need pure ghee. If you don't have pure ghee, this is homemade ghee. You can use any ghee that is available in the market. Okay. So you have pure ghee. Then what else you need for the essence? Need cardamom powder. So I always prepare my cardamom powder in advance and keep. So I've done this. I've crushed the cardamom here. Fine. And now we have to do some nuts. Okay. So simple it is. I remember when my brother was in school, and there was one neighbor, his classmate, who would bring this chapati powder, chapati laddu every day. Every day. Feel करायचं आहे ना ते. And then I once asked her to let me see what she's getting from school, from home. And I saw that she was into this. That's it. Yeah. The nuts are as per your choice. Okay? Just mix them. I rubbed in the. Yeah, my son just helped me with the dry fruits. The dry fruits are absolutely your choice. Okay, see? And now you have to just, it's so easy that you are going to try it immediately. I know that. And now, with the help of your hand, palm, just press together everything. And when you're serving your friends or guests, don't tell them that this is made from leftover chapati. They're not going to believe you. They come out so tasty, I tell you. See, see, please them, please. See, now getting them round shape is it's your expertise. Okay. छोटी कांचे की प्लेट है ना. So here you start keeping your. How quick was that?
5 minutes.
5 minutes laddu. And they're very healthy because they are wheat flour and we have used dry fruits and pure ghee. So okay. I still have time to share some more recipes with you all. Yeah. This is the dahi ka bowl मध्ये काढून ठेव. Wow. Initially, I was not very fond of these because the way it was done. I told you my brother's classmate would get these laddus every day. Every day, she wanted this laddu every day after her lunch. Oh, so there, her mother used to just shred the chapati into small, tiny pieces and then prepare the laddu. So there, you could even see the chapati. So you know that you start enjoying your food first with your eyes. You have to see a good recipe. A good dish and then you are hungry for it. So, and yes, so that was the main thing. I was not so fond of this recipe. But then when I started cooking, I found that this mixture is helping a lot and it's easy also. So here you go with your 4 chapatis, 4 wheat laddus. Fine. How quick is that? Are you ready for my last? No, last, yeah, whatever, third recipe.
Yes.
झाला? अरे दही काढली त्याच्याकडे. So, हे तू कशा तरी एका बोल मध्ये काढलं. Now I will show you appam. Appe. Sorry, appe. Or appe from leftover rice. Okay. So here goes the mixer again, and the leftover rice. This is the leftover rice. दही है ना? दही. Oh, now I'm not giving you the exact measurement because the rice here is less. But if you want to again see it my channel on Kalpana's Kitchen, you will find this crisp apples. Actually, half the quantity of the rice you have to use. So now I will just again give it a Mix. ये कॉर्नफ्लोर होता है ना, कॉर्नफ्लोर। अरे नहीं आनी चाहिए। Now this actually you have to keep it for some time. So maybe my uppays may not turn out the way they turn out always, but I'll just give an idea. Let me wash my hands. So, yeah, cornflour is it? नहीं, हाँ? रवा भाई, है? नहीं? Okay, this cornflour I'm adding for to get it crisp. Then some carrots. This is roasted cumin seed powder. I've roasted the cumin seeds and then powdered them. They add a good taste to the. Add salt. Add very little salt or no salt if you are using your rice, you're cooking your rice with salt, okay? Some coriander leaves. You have to garnish that coriander leaves with coriander leaves or majestic. Yeah, please, open. And see, while using your leftovers, just remember that it has to be healthy also, okay? So it's just not leftover है करके कुछ भी बनाया. You should see the nutritional value even of the dish that you turn out the next day. So I put in some spring onion. Okay, have you all seen this? Appe, this you get. It's I prepare my dahi vadas and I use this regularly in my place. Okay, it saves on oil. Okay, just a little bit of oil in that container. Yeah. Fine. You have brushed all this. Now what you do is you need a dash of baking soda. Okay. Now I didn't have suji here. Rava is even another very important ingredient. So let's see, today I'll try without the rava. That gives a little body to the appam. I've added baking soda, okay? Here, soda. See, adding curds already it gives that fermentation. It helps in the fermentation. And so you get that exact taste that you get for your regular appam. Right? But here we are preparing with rice, leftover rice. Fine, now just cover this. Just cover. Just cover this and let it cook for some time. Fine. While this is cooking, we can I can interact with you. So, yes, friends, I was just back from Alibag and here I am with you. What do you tell you that?
हा मला ते काढलं की ते जरा
Anything okay? What?
जरा हलवून असं ते
Wow. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah. A dash of coriander garnish.
Mummy, the session is extended by 5 more minutes on special request.
Oh my God.
So,
So, you-
I will just put you on.
Yeah. well, friends, hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi again. It was a real rush time for me, but I hope I could share these beautiful recipes with you all. And now I'm just waiting for the appes to fry a bit so that you can see that. And I forgot, I didn't have suji at home. So let's see. Which dish did you all like? Appes still to come, but
All of
from
all
these
of
two.
them look delicious. Lemon
Oh.
rice and the
Oh.
chapati thing also.
Yeah, the chapati laddu is my favorite also. And the lemon rice, I got a good feedback on my lemon rice. These, especially the young ones who stay alone away from home, they said that it is very useful. Their lemon rice we prepare regularly. So fine, I'm very happy with that feedback. And the appe is a very easy recipe to prepare. There's no grinding, nothing. Just that rice and curds, you mix it up and add suji. And my recipe, if you want the exact recipe, you'll have to go to Kalpana's kitchen and see my recipes there in detail.
On YouTube.
On YouTube, yes. Kalpana's kitchen on YouTube.
We'll do that, ma'am.
Yes. I'll just check the appam of their appe if they're ready. Huh? 1 minute. See, they have not got that.
Consistency.
Yeah. I could have cheated today instead of rava, I could have added chili milk. No, it's taking time. नहीं
ये वाले ना मतलब
मतलब है नहीं देखेगा. No, not done. It's taking some more time. I'm sorry. You want me to plate this?
this hardly actually can see.
We're running out of time.
It's okay.
See. Yeah. They come out super yummy. आता मला ते अप्पमचे photos देणार दाखवले त्यांनी. माहिती दाखवले.
Again, this looks good.
Is it? Without the rava, but you have to add rava, okay, friends? Don't forget rava in this. That is the binding factor for this.
This is unbound uppy.
They'll be
Boundless.
yummy. They're going to taste yummy. And you know, you have to keep this for half an hour at least, okay? So the rava and they merge well, the rava cooks. I mean, here. And you can have this with your chutney, or at my place they have it as it is. It comes out so tasty. You don't need any.
Tomato sauce.
Yeah, ketchup
Your
is
favorite?
always, yes, my favorite. Fine. Now just let it cook for some more time and you have your leftover rice up there.
We can end the session now. You have 1 minute
Yes.
to conclude.
Friends, thank you for bearing with all my, what do you say that? I was not prepared with all this.
Unprepared.
Usually
rush.
yes, I plan and everything, but the timing as I was traveling from Alibag, it took a little more time. And I hope you all enjoyed. And if any difficulties, you can always contact me on Kalpana's Kitchen, or you can go on my email address is just kalpanatalpade@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to help you out.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
ma'am. We enjoyed a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.